Hello guys, I hope you're doing well. This is the Bitcoin Daily Analysis for today, Sunday, 29 of December of 2024. Well, yesterday we talked about that Bitcoin, since it created this huge bearish candle and get rejected in this inverted fair value gap, the likelihood of continue going down was higher and to pick up this side of the liquidity. Basically, Bitcoin this Saturday retrace a little bit just for about 1% and basically get rejected in the midpoint of this candle and get rejected pretty spectacular. If we go to the 5-minute chart, it was rejected pretty with a huge wake to the downside and a lot of volume. So this rejection means something. Basically, since it get rejected, the likelihood of continue to the downside is higher, but maybe we will continue to the midpoint of this candle since the whole crypto market went up by a lot, except for Bitcoin. Bitcoin just went up 1%, but Ethereum went more than went up 1%. The old coins went up 2, 3, 4, 5, 6%. So basically, the market is a little bullish and I'm expecting some continuation to the upside. Basically, since this candle is more bullish than I expected, so basically this can change the things a little, and we can see this is 94,900. This is the midpoint of this blue candle, this bullish candle, and basically that means that Bitcoin this Sunday it can retrace to the midpoint of this candle and continue to the upside to close a more decent weekly candle because today Sunday the weekly candle closed and if it close around here is that is no bearish. That means that probably the next week Bitcoin will create a small wick to the downside and maybe go upside, and if better it will pick up this zone of liquidity and go up. But if it's more bearish, it can go here and continue going up. That will be super bullish because that means that we don't need to come back here later because we already touched this zone and go up. So basically, if today Sunday we could close a weekly candle like this, will be super positive, and that will mean that the next week maybe we will touch this point or this point, but very fast, and then go up very quick with a lot of strength. So things are not looking so bearish, guys. This Friday was very bearish, but just this Saturday when bullish with a lot of volatility during the day, the market moves a lot, but at the end, Bitcoin just go up by 1%. But the rest of the market, as I said, goes pretty bullish. So basically, for this Sunday, I'm expecting some kind of retracement, and Bitcoin close a little up, maybe around this zone, and the Monday continue going down, pick up this place, and go very quick to the upside to have a more decent monthly close, monthly candle, because the monthly candle, this is the monthly candle, guys. If Bitcoin close a monthly candle like this now, that is pretty fucking bearish. That means that we will go up, go down here, I maybe around maybe to this mitigation block that is around $73,000, because these kind of candles in the monthly time frame are candles of a end of a cycle, like that, guys. Look, end of a cycle. No, a monthly candle like this is pretty ugly. It's the worst candle that you can have for a monthly close. So I'm expecting, because we have around 29, 30, 31, we have 3 days to end the month. I'm expecting that if Bitcoin is gonna be bullish, I'm expecting that this monthly candle close at least over the high of November, that is $99,660. So Bitcoin has 3 days to basically go from here to this place, and that is around from the actual price, it's around 4.8%. So Remember, if the Monday candle close like this, we are fucked. That will be a very bad news. And the weekly candle for now is closing decent. And the daily is looking better because I thought that this Saturday or Sunday we will have continuation to the downside. But seems that Bitcoin just want to retrace to here and maybe continue going up, and we will see what's happened. Is the market is in a very strange situation because it will be kind of sideways. His has been kind of sideways since the 19th of December, basically, because Bitcoin has moved just between this range of around 8% during basically around 10, 11 days. So for now, guys, expecting for this Sunday, I'm expecting a little upside, maybe up to this zone, so we can have a positive weekly candle, but not by much. And maybe the next week coming down very quick, or the next week continue to the upside, have a decent monthly close over 99, 99, 600 over here, and the first days of January go down and then pump until the 20th of January. Basically, that is the Donald Trump assumption. Basically, so that is my main scenario, guys. Basically, going up until the end of the month and the first day of January going down, and then pump very quick until the Donald Trump assumption. Okay, guys, this is the analysis. I hope you like it. You need to be prepared because these days are gonna be very volatile, and there's a big chance that we can go now and pick up this whole pool of liquidity, and that will be pretty scary because it's about 7% to the downside and or 10% to the downside if Bitcoin wants to pick up this fair value gap in the daily time frame. So anything can happen, guys, but these are the main scenarios just in the daily, looking for a little more upside since this candle at least close over the midpoint of the body, and that is a positive thing. Get rejected in the midpoint of the whole candle, but in terms of the body, close over the midpoint of the body. That is a good thing, and so we can have a chance to get rejected here in the midpoint of this candle and continue going up to have a decent weekly close. So this is the analysis, guys. Hope you like it. If you want, you can subscribe, give us a like, and share with your friends. Take care. See you tomorrow. Bye.